A 16-year-old boy drank whey protein. This is what happened to his brain. Before I proceed, whey protein in itself is not dangerous, and the vast majority of the population can consume it without much in the way of consequences. Except, of course, if you are lactose intolerant. It wouldn't be wise to go on a date after that, now would it? With that out of the way, JD, a 16-year-old boy, was given whey protein by his father. Later, he developed seizures and died due to irreversible brain damage. Now, you might be wondering, how can protein kill someone? Or was there something else to the story? The boy's parents then made him a donor, and then the recipient developed seizures just like JD did. Which was odd, like how can a liver transplant develop brain symptoms? To know that, let me explain how our liver detoxes the body. And yes, you don't need any detox liquids and juices and whatever. Your body is more than capable of doing that. Anyways, ammonia is formed by your body after breakdown of multiple waste products. It is toxic to the cells, and in the mitochondria, yes, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, ammonia reacts with carbon dioxide and ATP to form carbamyl phosphate. This reacts with ornithine to form citrulline in the presence of ornithine transcarbamylase, or OTC, the enzyme that is significant to our story. Eventually, after multiple steps, the entire ammonia is converted to urea, which is safe for the kidneys to excrete. This is called urea cycle. All of this happens in your liver, and think about it before you get blind drunk the next time you go to a party. In our case, the 16-year-old obviously isn't an alcoholic, but he did lack the OTC enzyme genetically, which meant that when his body got overloaded with protein, which is again mostly converted to ammonia, nitrates and amino acids that are used by your body, except in this case, the ammonia that was formed after breaking down of proteins didn't get converted to urea. This meant the boy couldn't convert all the excess ammonia he received from the protein powder into urea that can be excreted eventually, and he then developed hyperammonemia. Hyper means high, ammon means ammonia, and emia is presence in blood. Due to these high levels of ammonia in his blood, which is toxic, it damages the brain, causing hepatic encephalopathy. If untreated, it can progress very quickly to death, as it was the case with this 16-year-old who died in 3 days after drinking the whey protein, and also the recipient who exhibited similar symptoms of seizures. Should you be worried about whey protein? No, it's a condition that occurs in almost 1 in every 80,000. So anyways, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't drink too much, as you might develop hepatic encephalopathy more likely if you're blind drunk with alcohol. Anyways, if you like this video, please subscribe for more.